Hi everybody, now we're going to go into section 2 of lesson 20. We're going to do a few scenarios and we're going to find out what each fraction is that goes with the picture posted in the problem, okay? So let's go with the first problem.
Emily earns money taking out the trash. She puts her money in the money jar. What fraction does Emily's money jar show?
Okay, so now this is the jar. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal pieces, 4 equal parts. And only one part has coins in it, which represents the numerator. So we're looking for a fraction that has a 1 as the numerator and a 4 as the denominator. So let's see what fractions we have here. 1/2, 1/4, 4/4 is which equals a whole. We're looking for 1/4. So this should be our answer right here.
1/4.
Next problem. Zoom back in so everybody can see it. Next problem.
Alec earns money watering the plants. He puts his money in the money jar. What fraction does Alec's money jar show?
Okay, let's count how many equal parts Alec has in this money jar. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. And he has 1, 2, 3 parts filled with coins. So the fraction that we're looking for should have a 4 at the bottom for the denominator and a 3 at the top for the numerator. So let's see what we have here for its fractions. We have 0/4, which is 0. We have 1/4, and we have 3/4. So here's our answer right here, 3/4.
3/4.
Because we have 3 equal parts filled with coins out of the 4 equal parts of the jar. Let's go to our next scenario. Zoom in. Stay zoomed in.
Chris earns money cleaning his room. He puts his money in the money jar. What fraction does Chris's money jar show?
Chris has a lot of coins in this jar. So let's count. Now remember, the first scenario has 4 equal parts. This scenario has 3 equal parts. So, it's 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. And all of the equal parts are filled with coins. Because Chris has been doing a lot of cleaning. Like every week or twice a week, Chris must be cleaning this room. So we're looking for 3 for the denominator and 3 for the numerator, which will equal to 1 whole. So, this is 1/3, this is 3/3, and this is 2/3. We're going to go for 3/3, which also equals a whole. 3/3. Let's go to our next scenario. Stay zoomed in.
Emily wants to buy a new hat. She needs to get money from her money jar. What fraction does Emily's money jar show?
What fraction does Emily money jar shows? Okay, I'm kind of disappointed in Emily. She hasn't been putting in any work to earn any money for this hat that she wants to buy. So I need Emily to start working so she can earn some money. Emily's jar has 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 would be your denominator. But Emily has no money. So her numerator will be 0. So we're looking for 0/4. Anytime you have a 0 in a fraction, it equals to 0. So you have 0/4, 3/4, and 1/2. Our answer is 0/4. I'm so disappointed in Emily. She needs to work on her work ethics. Okay, here's our last problem right here. This is Alec. Alec is a hard worker. This is second problem. Okay.
Alec wants to buy a new baseball. He needs to get money from his money jar. What fraction does Alec's money jar show?
The fraction that Alec's money jar shows. So first we have to look at the equal parts to figure out our denominator. So Alec jar has 1, 2, 3, 3 equal parts. And in this equal parts, only 2 equal parts are filled with coins. So we're looking for 3 as the denominator, which represents the 3 different parts, 3 equal parts, I'm sorry. And then we're looking for 2 as the numerator because there are 2 equal parts that are filled with coins. So let's see what our answer choices have. We have 0 thirds, we have 2 thirds, and we have 1 third. Our answer should be 2 thirds, which represents 2 equal parts that are filled with coins and the 3 equal parts that represent the entire jar. Okay, and this will conclude our math lesson for this week. Hopefully, time permitting, if I can find extra lessons to teach you, I will. Okay, so just sit tight and just let me keep looking through and see what lessons that everybody's not doing so I know which ones to present, okay? So make sure you get on into Y and complete your lessons so I know which lessons I can make videos for, okay? I'll see you all later.